We'll guide you through how to compare Trello and ClickUp effectively using their most recent features and interfaces. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head to the Trello website. Log into your account if you aren't already. Trello is known for its simple and intuitive interface, where you organize tasks using boards, lists, and cards. You can start by creating a new board and then add lists to represent stages of a project. Within these lists, you add cards that contain tasks or ideas. You can assign due dates, attach files, and add labels for better organization. Trello's power-ups, which are essentially add-ons, allow you to integrate with other tools like Google Drive and Slack. Now, let's shift over to ClickUp. Open a new tab and go to the ClickUp website, logging into your account. ClickUp is often praised for its flexibility and feature-rich environment. Start by creating a new space, which is like a project or department. Within each space, you can create folders to further organize your tasks. ClickUp allows you to view tasks in multiple formats, such as list, board, or calendar views, making it adaptable to different types of workflows. You can set priorities, add comments, and even track time spent on tasks. One of ClickUp's standout features is its customizability. You can tailor views, statuses, and fields to fit your specific needs. In terms of collaboration, both Trello and ClickUp offer real-time updates and commenting features, but ClickUp provides more robust options like custom dashboards and goals tracking. When comparing the two, Trello is excellent for straightforward task management with its visual board system, while ClickUp offers more advanced features for complex project management. Consider what your team needs most. Is it simplicity and ease of use, or flexibility and advanced features? This should guide your decision. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.